Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the daily recap. I haven't made any changes since yesterday, so we will look at the exact same stocks and ETFs as yesterday. I'll go through it very quickly, so you're not getting bored. I just made a video from where we are looking at small silver miners, juniors, and explorers. I just released it. Have a look at it. I found it very interesting. I hope and hopefully you will get a trade or two or one or two investments ideas. Please have a look at it. So yeah, let's look into this stuff. I think we will stay on the weekly, just a bit of a broader time frame. Gold to silver ratio, still, as you know, we are here at the lower golden trend line, and yeah, getting a bit of a bounce today. And we want to break these two here, the golden trend line and the green at 75. And what's our target when we break it? You guessed it right. It is right here at 30. The 2011 lows right there. You can see it. That's the target. 100% measured move. Perfection. It will happen. Just wait for it. Easy game. Silver today, weekly, staying above the long-term golden trend line here, which is a parallel trend line that I have copied from here to here. Looking good. We want to break, as you know, 26. 26 is the level to break. Nothing more, nothing less. Gold doing nothing here still, slowly grinding its way up. Nothing much has happened before we break 2070. Let's watch it. Platinum looking absolutely freaking amazing. Sorry for cursing here, but anyways, it's amazing. Getting above this one here, the highs of the breakout high at around 1140, 50-ish. I mean, it looks absolutely gorgeous. One of the best looking charts out there in my view. Long term, I mean, it's amazing. Platinum, go platinum. I love it. Gold divided by M2 month supply. Let's zoom out quickly. It's a 50-year long trend line coming down here, as you can see, all the way down. And we are currently fighting with it right here. Very exciting times for sure. GDX, inverted head and shoulders, breakout, retest, as you know, and now we're just doing nothing right here. Nothing exciting. We need to get above this 36 point something, and we don't want to break below the blue neckline here. Oil, long term, the green support is holding all the way through here. In my view, I want to get above 82 before I become very bullish on oil. It's a downtrend. You can't deny that. So let's wait and see. Nat gas, again, zooming out here on the weekly. You can follow my mouse here, all the way down, coming down, and we are sitting on top of this golden trend line here, trying to make a bottom. But the pressure here, it's a very big move. So the downward pressure is just insane right now. So it will take some time. It could take the entire like 2 or 3 months at least before we may be called to the upside again. So we have to wait and see. UEC did nothing today, 0%, but we are above the golden trend, the lower golden trend line. Very bullish for now. Ultimately, we want to get above the red dotted here, which are the lows coming across here. And we want to grind higher, for sure. URA, let's go to the daily quickly, just to show you, because today was yes, we are up 1% more or less, but we're getting a doji. So I wouldn't be surprised, actually, if, I'm not saying that we are, but if we're getting a green, red candle here tomorrow, or maybe over a few days, retesting the golden trend line breakout, but we'll have to wait and see. It's a 50-50, right? So yeah. Here we have it. URA for itself. This is where you want to break. False breakout here. Broke down, retest, resumption. Into this bear pennant here. Actually broke to the upside. And where are we sitting right now? Right at the long-term golden trend line, which is the one we want to break. But as we just saw before, we are making maybe a reversal here, with the doji. Long wicks, small body. Let's see. But we could easily break out, but we could also go down and retest here. Very exciting times for the next 2 days, in my view, for uranium. Very exciting, actually. URA, look at this bad boy here. Go to the weekly. Go to the weekly. 2 trend lines defining it, in my view. You can see right here breaking out against overall commodities, the CRB index. So uranium, URA, is setting to outperform overall commodities. What's not to like? URA against XLE, big outperformance here. When we broke out, you can see the breakout here coming across. Big outperformance, then major correction, right? And what are we doing right now? We're trying to break out again. We have broken out. 3 very big green candles here, and hopefully we will make a higher high and start to outperform again. So URA is outperforming the overall energy sector. Very bullish. Let's see if it can do it. URA against the SP 500. False breakdown. Very big green candle this week. Hopefully it will continue. We are back above the golden trend line here. Very bullish. So if this is the false breakout, you will get a move like this very often. Shorts are have to cover, and you resume to the upside. Last but not least, we have URA measured against the Nasdaq. As you know, I said this was possibly an inverted head and shoulders, which it is. We have broken out, very good. The target is here, but I do think we will go in for the big retest up here, but it will probably take a month or two, but I think we'll get there. So yeah, we'll have to wait and see. Okay, very, very, very quickly run through today. Actually, I thought we had the CPI coming out today at 4.9. I thought this would move the markets a lot more than it actually did. But anyway, sometimes you get surprised. You don't know what's happening, right? So yeah. Okay, I have nothing further. Have an amazing day. And if anything big happens tomorrow, we will look at it. Have an awesome day, guys and girls. Cheers.